Hello Aquarians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and let's see what are the messages for you. And as these are general readings, they won't be resonating with each and every one of you, so just take what resonates and leave the rest. So let's see what are the messages for Aquarians. So we have the Justice, the Queen of Pentacles, the King of Swords, the Seven of Cups, the King of Pentacles, the Five of Cups, the Nine of Pentacles, the Queen of Swords, and the Hangman. So definitely it is a power couple here with which we are dealing here. A decision is being taken here, Aquarians. That's what I feel. What I am getting here is it is a decision. It's a reading regarding it's a relationship reading. That's what I want to say. It's a power couple. Both of you are on the same page. We have the King of Swords, the Queen of Swords. We have the Queen of Pentacles. We have the King of Pentacles. So definitely it is a relationship, a significant relationship here. And a decision has been taken in this relationship, or a decision is about to be taken. It's something of that sort. Or both of you are deciding, or it is being done legally. That I really don't know. Okay, it can be a legal decision. It's maybe it's already legal, or maybe you're planning to go that way, or maybe you are doing it mutually. I don't know. But there is a situation here. Both of you, I won't read it like this. I'll just give a message overall. What I feel here is with the Queen of Pentacles, King of Pentacles, King of Swords, and Queen of Swords, both of you are not talking to each other. Okay, both of you are thinking very, very logically, very, very analytically, and trying to take a decision. Okay, and there is definitely a confusion in this situation. You are upset, things are stuck, the relationship is totally stagnant, totally stuck. There is an energy of this Five of Cups in which both of you are really upset. There is confusion here in this relationship. Maybe the confusion is regarding the decision itself as to what should be the right decision. What should we do regarding this? And maybe both of you are really not happy taking the decision, whatever you are taking. Okay. So in this situation, it talks about a couple which is heading for a decision. Both of you are really upset. Maybe there is a confusion as to should we do this or shouldn't we do this. There is definitely a confusion. There is some sort of indecisiveness here. So maybe what I feel here is maybe it is a stage in which you are just planning to do that, and that is what the confusion is about. Can be that also as to should we or should we not, because you are really not happy taking the decision. But somehow what I feel is with the nine, we have the Hangman. This relationship is totally stagnant. Relationship is just not progressing forward. It's total stagnancy. Both of you are really not talking to each other. That's what I feel. It's total cut off from each other. A very straightforward, logical and analytical thinking regarding this relationship is going on to clear whatever this confusion is. This confusion can be regarding properties also. It can be about emotions, it can be about properties, it can be any damn thing. But definitely there is a confusion over here and the decision has to be taken. But with the Nine of Pentacles being there, what I feel is there is it's a decision of being single. Okay, it can be both of you are wanting to be single again. Maybe that is what the decision is about. Maybe you are not taking the decision right now, or you're just putting it thinking about taking that decision or putting it to the court or something of that sort. Okay, so we have the Ace of Diamonds over here from this deck. So the Ace of Diamonds is it is the World card in this deck. So it is a completion of a cycle and it is opening up of a new world. Normally in this deck it does talk about peace, it does talk about open-mindedness. So whatever decision you take with mental clarity, take with mental openness and open-mindedness. Okay, so Aquarians, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.